So this is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over. New one just begun. So this is Christmas. Hope you have fun. Near and the dear ones, old and the young. Very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. So this is Christmas for weak and for strong, rich and the poor ones. World is so wrong. So happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow and red ones. Stop all the fight. Very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. Hey folks, Max Leblanc here. This tutorial was John Lennon's Happy Christmas War is Over. Well, for the occasion I did put my very serious tie. Believe it or not, I went working with this today. So yeah, I'm wild like that. Like usual, I'm going to show the chord progression, and then we're going to look at how we play these chords with the position of the fingers on the fretboard. So to begin with, so I've simplified this song because there's a lot more chords and a lot more complexities in that song, and I basically didn't render them all. Of course, we're playing with a Merlin, so well, first we need to keep it simple, or as simple as possible. Well, I have to, anyways. So, the chord progression looks like that, right? So, it starts with an A, BM, then B5, BM back, E, A. So this is D. Christmas. I hope you have fun. EM. So usually we should do EM, E, EM, A. Old and a young D. Then we get to the chorus. A very merry D. Merry Christmas G. And a Happy New Year A. Let's hope it's a EM without any fear. E. So it's EM, G without any fear. E. So how do we play these chords? Well, A is first string, first fret, 3 and 4, first fret, second open. A. BM is first string, second fret, second string, first fret, so that's BM. But then we switch with B5, which is the same position, but then you same as BM, but you lock 3 and 4 on the second fret. So it sounds like this, BM. So that's for the transition for that. And then we go back to E. So E is you bar or lock all the strings on the first fret, so that's an E. And then go back to A, which is the same. And then you go to D, and D is second fret, 3 and 4 strings. Everything else opens. That's D. And you go to AM. So you you bar all the strings on the first fret, and then you also bar the 3 and 4 on the third fret. So that's basically EM, E, goes like that, and that's pretty much it. For the rest, well, if we do so a very Merry Christmas, so you go with D, very Merry Christmas, G, so G is you bar all the strings on the third fret, and Happy New Year, A, like we showed before, A, so first string, first fret, 3 and 4, first fret, everything else open. Let's hope it's a good one. So EM, like I showed, first fret, all barred, and 3 and 4 on the third fret. Then go to G, slide, D, E. So D being this one, E being this one. So yeah, I wanted to do something special for Christmas, and you know, I'm having lots of fun doing these little videos, and actually I am also progressing, and I like to play music. I'm pretty sure you guys like it too, so I'll stop ramble about that. Again, Max Leblanc saying ciao for now, and happy Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and we'll see you later.